Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Full Deck Challenge 2 hosted by Shana of ShanoukiArt. And I'm up to prompts 21 and 22. And 21 is paper dolls, so I've got these little mini Tim Holtz paper dolls. And number 22 is brown, smooshing, numbers, and tab. And I've got assorted things of brown. I've got brown ink I can smoosh, and I've got my numbers that's on this brown paper banner. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Be sure and check out Shana's channel at ShanoukiArt, and be sure and check out the hashtag Full Deck Challenge 2. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to prepare both of my cards, and I'm going to put Mod Podge over the top, and I'm going to scrunch up my tissue paper and put it over the Mod Podge. And I was supposed to have put Mod Podge over that, but apparently I forgot. But I went ahead and did both cards, and I didn't notice a problem when I was doing my cards. I tear the excess tissue paper from around the card, and then I will trim it up and ink it. And I also ink the other pieces that I'm using on my card. And now I'm just going to decorate my cards. Now I'm going to go around my ladies with my Stabilo All pencil, and then I'll go around it with the water brush. I'm going to make them pop from the background. Now I want to go around it with some gilding paste. And sometimes the gilding paste gets a little dry or hard, and just a little spritz of water will help it loosen up to where I can go around my card. And now I want to add some gold and black watercolor splashes. That's just something I think that makes it look good. The second card is done a lot like the first card. I do have to glue down my corner, I guess because I didn't Mod Podge over the top. And I do the smooshing, and I just put a little bit of Vintage Photo Distress Oxide, and then spray water, and then just pat it down and dry it with a heat gun. And then I come back and do this with walnut stain as well. I come back and spritz it with some water to try to activate the Distress Oxide, but I didn't really notice a huge difference. Once dry, I go around the edges, trimming when needed with the walnut stain. I also go ahead and ink up my other pieces with the walnut stain as well. I decide with so much dark brown, I grab a piece of book page to put behind it just to kind of lighten it up a little bit. I decided to do just a little bit of highlighting with my white Posca pen. This is a little narrow nib, and I just kind of hit a little bit of the highlights in the flowers and the bird. Now I'm adding splatters using watered down white gesso, and I'll also come back and use my gold watercolor paint as well. And I finish off this card with the gold gilding wax as well. Well, here's number 21 and 22 of my full deck challenge 2. Number 21 is paper dolls, and I've got these little Tim Holtz paper dolls, and I did some splattering, and I like how it turned out. And then number 22 is brown, and I smooshed some ink on there, and my paper was smooshed. Numbers, I've got these numbers here, and a tab. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I love how they turned out, and I hope you do as well. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Be sure and check out ShanoukiArt, and be sure and check out the hashtag Full Deck Challenge too. So until next time, bye y'all.